For the holidays this year, we decided to go to San Francisco. It's the place where we first met and where Scobie was born and raised. And most of his family still lives here.
Oh, is she purring? Oh my gosh, I can hear her all the way over here. Merry Christmas Eve, Marjorie. We love you.
His parents go all out for Christmas, so it's always a lot of fun to spend it here with them at their home.
What are you making?
I am making thumbprint cookies.
Thumbprint cookies.
That's the cookies that have jam in the middle.
Ooh.
We're doing an almond base and maybe even an almond glaze as well.
Ooh. Scobie's really good at baking. Since we can't really bake in the Scamp, he doesn't get to do it much, but he loves it.
Those ones have a lot of jam.
She knows it's for her, that's for sure.
Marjorie, I gotta finish opening it, you silly girl.
This one's small enough that we can keep in the...
In the Scamp. She just loves it.
She's the cutest.
Her grandparents did a good job.
She loves it?
Yeah, you guys picked out a great present for her.
Good thing we're not gonna put you in that, baby. Good morning, it's the day after Christmas and we spent it in the city with my family in San Francisco, and this morning we drove across the Golden Gate to come to Marin because we have a welder who is going to help repair our trailer frame. Be here in about 20 minutes, and then I think he'll be here no longer than 2 hours.
I don't know, he said it could take up to half a day.
She's like, ooh, hi, you're all wet. Oh my goodness. Oh, lick, lick, lick.
Fresh water.
Yeah. Oh. How do I dry? I'm going to keep one dry at least, right? Ooh. Shake, shake, shake. That's too cute.
She's so funny.
You have to get off, Marj.
Yeah, Marjorie, it's the whole car, babe.
Yeah, honey, you're not going to get any drier.
You're going to slide down.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Yeah. Oh. Margie. Oh, honey,
Here,
girl.
maybe I should help her.
On New Year's Day, we decided to explore a part of the city that neither of us was very familiar with. We first went to North Beach, San Francisco's Little Italy. We're watching The Sopranos right now, so naturally we had to make it a point to visit here while in town. North Beach is right next to Chinatown, so we headed over there next. It was so magical to wander around here at night. We both agreed that this was one of the most beautiful parts of the city, at least in our opinion. California has been receiving a lot of rain lately, as you might have heard. So we decided to go visit the shore in between storms. As we inspected the shore to see what had washed up during the storm, we noticed that it was mainly kelp, driftwood, and trash, as well as the occasional fragmented seashell. This was our first time seeing kelp ashore with its holdfast still intact, evidence of the violent conditions in the ocean lately. We had a bit of a mishap with our microphone, so whatever we were saying on the beach that day is lost forever now, swept out to sea by the wind. Then we explored by this drainage pipe thing. I used to come to this beach in college and vividly remember climbing on this structure. I remember first moving here at 17 and being taken aback by how consistently gray and cold this beach was. It clashed with the image I had in my mind of a typical California beach, especially being from sunny Southern California myself. But now it feels right to be freezing cold while by the ocean.
Look how cute.
Marjorie, touch me.
Marjorie.
I want to paint you.
Before leaving town, we made it a priority to see as many of our friends as possible. And on this particular day, we decided to go hang out in Golden Gate Park. Sorry. But it was raining, and we somehow all ended up in matching yellow rain jackets. So we decided to make a game out of it, and walk around the park looking for other yellow things to guide our way. Oh, the kid? The yellow walk continues. Boom, the yellow walk continues! All the colors. You look like you're having fun. What are you doing?
Laying out some cookies, homemade cookies and some milk for Santa. We made Santa vegan thumbprint cookies with Christmas preserved jam and an almond glaze.
They're delicious. Good job.
I hope he likes it.